Okay, so this is my second video, just in case the first one gets deleted, just because I used the original drums from the original Disclosure Boss track. So I just want to make another tutorial just in case we get demonetized or video gets stricken down for copyright. But anyway, this is what the bass sounds like in retro synth. And okay, it'll include my EQ settings that I use for that. You can just save those, save as. It'll include 2 tremolos. They're the exact same setting. You can save the sidechain setting that I have on here. You don't have to screenshot anything. The compressor settings with a little soft distortion, you can save that and tweak it. I bust it to a towel chorus to make it the bass a little bit thicker and wider. The towel chorus is free. You can get that online. I've included a link in the description. You'll be able to see that. Get Camo Crusher as well. I use both sometimes. So anyway, I'll include that in the link in the description. Obviously, the retro synth settings you'll be able to see, and you can save the preset patch. Let's hear the Alchemy version. Yeah, there it is. Disclosure Boss. 2 preset settings in one. Included EQ, tremolo for my sidechain, compressor settings, towel chorus, secret sauce that you need for your bass to widen them. It's all included in the file in the description box. So just go download the file, open it up. The MIDI is included, obviously. And obviously the original drums will be included in there just so you can have, to play around. Aaron, later.